Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us this evening. I hope that everyone is having a great day and had a great weekend. I am now calling this special hearing to amend the city citizen plan to order. I'm Council President Mally Rosado, and with us this evening is Councilman John Gale, Councilwoman Shirley Surgeon, Councilman Nick LeBron, Councilwoman Rossetti, and our executive assistant and liaison to City Council, David Grant. Other council members will be joining us shortly. And representatives from Central Grants who would be responsible this evening for taking the minutes for this hearing. I now yield to John Baer, Director of Office of Central Grants Administration and Strategic Partnership, to explain the original adopted plan and the proposed amendment. Joan, you have the floor.
Okay, thank you, Council President, and thank you, members of the council. I appreciate you giving time to the Office of Central Grants Administration on your calendar to discuss this matter. This is a procedural hearing that's required under the rules from the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, or HUD. As you may know, in connection with the COVID-19 pandemic, the CARES Act was passed and signed into law on March 27th of this year, and that legislation provided funds to a number of the federal agencies, including HUD, to give out to the cities in connection with their need to serve, to prevent, prepare for, and respond to the coronavirus, and that's what the statute says. In connection with that, HUD provided an allocation of those funds according to the usual HUD rules, according to the formulas that they used for all the regular CDBG this year. But they wanted to see the funds move a little bit faster than they usually do under our CDBG procedures. So they provided a waiver of certain requirements, and they asked for the cities to amend their plans temporarily. And these are not our plans for the actual expenditure of any of the funds. These are just what we call our citizen participation plan. It's a procedural plan that indicates how the process of CDBG is enacted, when documents are posted to the public, and when and how we have hearings. So usually it requires an in-person hearing. As you know, because the council had to have a meeting around this on March 24th, around the same time. We can't really have an in-person hearing right now due to social distancing requirements. So we have to change the citizen participation plan temporarily so that we can have a virtual hearing on the CDBG this year. And as well, we are having difficulty with people being able to obtain things like physical newspapers as much as they had in the past. So most of the process nationwide has become more of an internet-related process. And so only in connection with the COVID money, not regular CDBG, we've been asked to make a few changes to the citizen participation plan. So you have a copy of it in front of you, and it was posted to a page on the city website, so it's available to the public. And notice is in the newspaper for the public also, in case they would like to see it, a copy of it, or provide commentary to any of the members of the Central Grants Office for all of this week. And we also are holding this hearing in case anyone would like to call in and offer any commentary about the document before HUD considers it to be in place. We don't have to enact it, we just have to post it for HUD. And so they're just looking to see if we have any responses. I'm sorry, I don't hear.
Thank you, Joan.
You're very welcome.
And now, our Majority Leader, Councilman Clark, and Councilwoman Bermudez have joined us. And so we have not received any requests from the public. Is that correct, David?
Yes, that's correct.
Correct. So I'm calling this for, is there anyone on the line who wishes to comment during this public hearing time? Is there anyone on the line? Is there anyone on the line? I guess there's no one on the line and we don't have any public participation. With that said, I am adjourning this public hearing and I will see you all shortly at 7 at a regular scheduled council meeting.
Thank you, John.
everyone.